In today's world, agriculture is going through a massive transformation. With the help of advanced machinery, smart systems, and high-tech tools, cattle farming has become faster, safer, and more productive. From the vast ranches of Australia to the grasslands of Central Asia, farmers are embracing modern technology to feed the world more efficiently than ever before. Let's dive into how this innovation is shaping the future of livestock farming. To handle thousands of cattle across huge lands, ranchers now use helicopters and drones. These tools save time and increase efficiency. In Australia, cattle farming is a major industry, with nearly 30 million cattle mostly found in the southern and northern regions, where the land and weather support large-scale ranching. One ranch, about 600 kilometers from Darwin, uses helicopters to manage 81,000 cattle across 1.3 million acres. A job that once took 3 days and 20 workers now takes just one helicopter pilot in half a day. Helicopters make herding much easier, especially for cattle roaming in open, wide spaces. They also help detect sick animals early, allowing fast treatment to stop disease from spreading. In some cases, cattle are even airlifted by helicopter across mountains. This method helps ranchers move cattle to areas that trucks can't reach. In the US, especially in the western regions, helicopters are also used to manage about 28 million cattle that mostly graze naturally. Modern cattle farming is also expanding in Central Asia, in countries like Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan. These countries have long practiced seasonal livestock movement, using natural grasslands and needing fewer workers. To meet higher beef demand, they are now using advanced equipment. One key technology is the silage feed mixer. It can mix up to 30 tons of feed per hour, combining corn, grass, and nutrients. This helps cattle grow faster and stay healthy by giving each animal the right amount of food. Cleanliness is also a top priority in modern cattle farms. One machine, the Aliac barn cleaner, moves by itself at 5 miles per hour and carries over 25,000 gallons of waste. It keeps walkways clean and reduces the spread of disease. Another system uses a cable-driven scraper that runs on fixed tracks. It collects waste quickly, helping keep barns clean all the time. Once cattle reach market size, they're transported internationally in special containers. These containers are divided into separate sections. Each with its own ventilation, temperature control, and automated feeding and watering systems. This keeps cattle comfortable and stress-free during long trips. The containers also include safety restraints to protect cattle during transport on bumpy roads, and sanitation systems to maintain cleanliness during the journey. Beef production is a detailed process, from raising cattle to processing the meat. Every step combines traditional knowledge with modern technology to make sure the food is safe and high quality.